We're gonna unbox a 4x4 from Lazada. Here it is. The account that I use in Lazada or whatever you call it is my mother. I use her account because order I can't use the cash on delivery option on Lazada with my account because I haven't given money to them after they deliver it at my house. Nice packaging. Oh. Similar to my 2x2. Stickerless. This is the first time I got this. It's like a bubble wrap. Let's check inside. I hope the logo is it's not a sticker. It's not a sticker. I hope it's not a sticker. It's permanent. Oh, nice. Why it's so foggy though? Oh, so it's just like my black 4x4. The brackets are hollow. Oh my god. One thing I noticed in this cube, it feels like it's kind of big. Using also. It's a bit of a stiff. I don't know if I'm gonna undo the tension. Guys, that's for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy.